Hi learners, good morning. Welcome to Unified Study. We are doing mathematical reasoning of paper 1. Welcome you all to Unified Study. Yes. Good morning Surabhi, Petisha, Prashanti, Umarani, Kishori, Vetri Chelvan, Vanita, Anand. Good morning Satya, Purnima, Lopa, Amu, Ashwini, Lata, Swapna, Sobhya, Gautam, Tamim, Ashish, Saravanaraj. Good morning. Good morning all. Yes, good morning. So today we are going to do mathematical reasoning. Before getting into the concept, those who are new to the channel, please do subscribe the channel, like and share with your friends. Yes, yes, do join. Full Moon, Rohit, Namika, Kirtana, good morning. Do join. Yes, as we have 1 month more, today is 31st, right? 31st of October. We have 1 month more for our examination. We are doing PYQs here in YouTube. We are doing concepts in YouTube, and also we are doing PYQs practice course on the Unified Study app. Those who are new to the channel, please do join the Unified Study app to get more experience. Do visit our website. Here we are giving Super 20 offer, 20% discount, which is valid only today, where we'll be getting 20% discount on all the courses. We are giving paper 1, paper 2 with computer science courses. For all the courses, you can enjoy 20 percentage discount. Yes, we are doing PYQs practice of June 2023, and along with one day one DI are doing, we are doing one day one RC, we are doing in paper 1, and in paper 2 computer science we are doing with all PYQs and with the concepts. You can get your PDFs here. Go to website unifystudy.com, and there you can get enough information about things. Do join and get enjoy the PYQs and crack your net and JRF in the upcoming December 2023 examination. Yes, yes. So now we start with our exam. So the class on ratio and proportion. Yes, ratio and proportion in mathematical reasoning, very important concepts. Ratio and proportion, this will also come under data interpretation also. So in data interpretation we will be asked questions with respect to ratio and proportion, and those who are new to this ratio and proportion, this class will be very useful to you to understand the basic concepts of ratio and proportion. Yes, let's do start. No problem, Monica, I'll share today, don't worry, I'll share today. So in mathematical reasoning, we have a concept called ratio. What do you mean by ratio? It is nothing but comparing two quantities of similar quantities, two numbers of a same quantities. When we compare each other, then that we call it as a ratio. It is nothing but doing some division, right? And that is ratio. It's an abstract quantity and does not have any units. Here in ratio, we don't have any units. We'll be just talking about the share of each number has. So this is a ratio of two quantities A and B in the same units. Both has to be in the same unit, and we will be representing in the form of ratio like this, or we'll be writing in form of in, in this form we used to write A is to B, right? So this we call it as what? A ratio. Say take this example. Here the total length is what? 5. This 1 0 to 11, right? This 1 to 11 is being divided into 1 to 5. This is one ratio, and this is one ratio, and this is one ratio. Okay, right? So the whole scale has how much? 1 2 3 4 5 6 7 8 9 8 10 11 12 13 14 15 16 17 18 19. So when I add the total number is 19 and is being shared among 5, 3 and 11. Yes, so the first part is of 5 part, second one is of 3 part, third one is of 11 part, of total 19. Yes, this we of same quantity, see all of same quantity, and this we call it as ratio. This we call it as ratio. And then we have some formulas with respect to ratio. Ratio can be represented in form of like this: A is to B. If I have comparing three quantities, means A is to B is to C I can do, right? Similarly, we have some formulas like finding the duplicate ratio, subduplicate ratio, triplicate ratio, subtriplicate. If say example there is a ratio 4 is to 3, it is a ratio, right? I have 10 chocolates. I have 10 chocolates. Okay. I give my elder daughter with the four share, not 4 chocolates. With 4 share, I share the chocolates, and with my younger daughter, I give 3 share of chocolates. Then we have to find out how many chocolates I given for my bigger one and how many chocolates are given for my elder one. Ma'am, how to find out? Simple. This is for my older one, right? So for my first daughter, older one, I have given 4 share. Out of how many share? Out of 7. How? 4 plus 3. Total share is 4 plus 3, 7. You take this as 14 chocolates. Okay, so that we can cancel it out easily. So I have totally 14 chocolates. So into 14. So when I do what, I'll be getting 4 divided by 7 into 14. So this goes 8. So I have given my older one with 8 chocolates. What about the younger one? Simply I can subtract with the 14, or I can also do this one. 3 divided by again 4 plus 3, 7. Yes, into 14. So this will gives me how much? This will become 7. So 1, this is 2, 6. So of this 14 chocolates, I give 8 chocolates to my older one. I give 6 chocolates to my younger daughter. Right? Clear? So this is how we find out the value with respect to ratio. So there will be a common term for both the things. See here, what is the common term? So when I find out, it can be written like this, right? 4x is to 2x. So x is that common term. What is the common term here? See what will what I have to multiply to get 8. So I have to multiply by 2 to get, just to checking I am telling you. Yes, here it is 3x, right? So when I multiply it by 2, I'll get 3. So that x is said to be the common factor, that by dividing I'll be getting the ratio. Right? Clear? This is a very basic concepts with respect to ratio. What is ratio? How we get it? How can we find the exact value? This is the basic. Clear? Those who are new to the topic, those who are clear? Yes? Yes? Yes, clear? Yes. This is very basic. So 4 is to 3 is the ratio. I divided that 14 chocolate into the ratio of 4 is to 3. Then I have to find out how many chocolates I have given for my older one, how many for my younger one. How to find out? Just simple. By this method we can find. Clear? Yes. So with this example, so there is a 4 is to 3 ratio. There are some questions they have asked in earlier papers. Find out the duplicate ratio, subduplicate, triplicate, subtriplicate ratio. How to find out 4 is to 3 the value? Right? So we have to find out 4 squared is to 3 squared. What will be the answer? 4 squared is what? 16 is to 9. Yes, this is the duplicate ratio. I have 2 squared. Similarly, for subduplicate means what? We have to find out the square root. Say example, if they have given 16 is to 9 as the A is to B, and I have to find out the subduplicate means I have to find out the square root of 16 and square root of 9. That what will give me? 4 is to 3. Similarly for cube. For say example, if I have 2 is to 3 as the ratio, find out the triplicate ratio means what? 2 cube is to 3 cube. What will come? 8 is to 27. This is the answer for triplicate. Yes, clear? Similarly, if I have given, say example, 8 is to 27 as A is to B, find out the subtriplicate means what? I have to find out the cube. That is 2 cube. So 8 can be written as what? 8 can be written as, see here it comes 1 by 3. 1 by 3. So 8 can be written as how much? 2 cube. So what will happen? This will comes out 3 the whole cube. This 1 by 3 comes outside. So this get cancelled. This is very simple mathematics that we have studied in our school, right? Yes. So 1 by 3, this get cancelled. So the sub-triplicate ratio is nothing but 2:3. So these are all the basic questions is being asked. But in exams, we are not getting this much easy questions. We are getting some statement-based questions, right? If you are lucky enough, you'll be getting direct questions like this. But we are getting some kind of what problems we are getting in mathematical reasoning. So the basic of ratio is how to find out the ratio, how to find the exact value from the whole value that we have to find. And with this we have another concept called proportion. Proportion is nothing but it's called the equality of the two ratios is called a proportion, where if A is to B is equal to C is to C, they are called as what? Proportion. So A divided B, where A is to B can be written as what? A by B. Similarly, C is to D. There is another proportion that is C is to D. When there is an equal things between these two ratios and that equality of two ratios, and that we call it as what? Proportions. This where we'll be using is we'll be applying in some word problems to find out these kind of problems, right? So if A is to B is equal to C is to D, then we can write it in this form. How? This can be written as A is to B is to C is to D. This is how we will be writing the proportion of two ratios. Proportion of two ratios. Here see how can we written this A is to B is nothing but A by B. C is to D is nothing but C by D. Where we can also find out A into D. A into D is equal to C into B. And this A and D is called as extremes. And the C and B is called as the mean terms. Right? This will be applied. Please clear once again subtriplicate. Yes, Tamim, 1 minute. So this we call it as what? A proportion. Okay, this we call it as a proportion. This we will be doing in the upcoming problems. So see, there is an example they have given. If equation with the two equal ratios, 2 by 3 is equal to 4 by 6. Yes, this when I cancel it will be getting what? 2 by 3. Okay, when I involve the proportion means I have to find out this one particular value means I can use this proportion method to find out the exact value. Clear? I'll be clearing this subtriplicate. Subtriplicate means nothing but this is with square root, right? This is with the cube root. This is with the cube root we have to find out 1 by 3 cube root. So I have taken an easy example so that you can be able to find 8 is to 27. Right? Find out the subtriplicate means what? This can be written as 2 cube. This can be written as 3 cube. So subtriplicate means what? 1 by 3 of that one. In mathematics algebra we can do this. So this will get cancelled. That is what does it mean is 2 by 3 into 1 by 3. Okay. Similarly 3 by 3 into 1 by 3. This means. So this one get cancelled. So 2 is to 3 is the answer. Clear? Yes. So now we will get into the problem of how to do the ratio and proportion in our examination point of view. So the first question I have given you, distribute the 320 in the ratio of 1 is to 3. I have 320 rupees in my hand and I have to give to two people with the ratio of 1 and with the ratio of 3. How can I do it? I'll do this problem for you. So total amount I have is 320. I have to give one person with 1 share and another person with 3 share. So what is the total number of share? The total number of share is 4, right? Total number of share is 4. So how can I do it? See, what is the share of this first person? Let it be the person A, let it be the person B. What is the share given to person A? So that is equal to 1 divided by, we have to add these two, total share we have to identify. So 4 into 320. Yes, 80. What will the share given to person B? The person B has given 3 shares. So person B has given 3 shares. So 3 total shares how many? 4. So 4 into 320. So when I cancel what I'll be getting? 80. So B is equal to 240. Yes, clear? Very good. Super good. So the share given is 2, 240. Yes, very good. Yes, very good. Don't think I'm going very basic, so that we can have the graph neatly. If I go directly to a big problems means for some students it will be difficult. Okay, yes, very good. Thank you. So it is 80 comma 240. So the A will be getting 80 rupees and B will be getting 240 rupees. So clear with ratio? Yes. Yes. Very good. Good, 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 good. We'll move to the next problem. We'll move to the next problem. Right. Now we move to a different problem with respect to ages they have asked. With respect to ages, where we are going to apply the ratio concept here. So slowly I'm migrating to the next step of ratio problems. Yes, shall we do? Yes. So the ratio of the present ages of Priya and her mother. So there is a person called Priya and there is a person, her mother. So their ages, the ratio of their ages is 3:7. Yes. The mother's age at the time of Priya's birth. At the time of Priya's birth, the mother's age is 48. Okay, yes. We have to find out what is the mother's present age. See, I'll give you a easy way. I have told you ratio means there will be definitely a common term. Yes, there will be a common term. That common term is nothing but put x. Right? That common term is what? Yes. If I find out that x, I can able to identify Priya's age and I can able to identify mother's age. Yes, very good. What they have given at the mother's age at the time of Priya. This 3x is present age, right? The present age. This now Priya's age, this now mother's age. So what they have given, the mother's age at the time of Priya's birth is 48. So when I subtract mother's age by present Priya's age, I will be able to go 48 years back, right? The mother's age at the time of Priya's birth was 48. So when I simply subtract these two things, right, I'll be able to, how I get this line? Because they have told the mother's age at the time of Priya's birth. Priya's age is this one, mother's age is this one, this before 48 years, right? So when I subtract, I can get x is equal to 12. So now you replace this x in this value. What will be getting the percentage? Percentage. So x into 12. The Priya age is 12. What is mother's age? What is mother's age? Yes, yes, yes. Into 3 is to 12, 7. So 36 is to 84. Yes, clear? Yes, 96. How 96? 60. How 60? You check now. The mother's age at the time of Priya's birth is 48. You add with 36, right? She'll be getting 84 now. Yes, mother's age is 84. This is 7. Those who are writing 60, I'm telling it is 7. It's not 5. Very good. Now what is mother's age now? It is 84. Mother's age. Very good. This is mother's age and this is Priya's age. Clear? Very good. Yes. No, Rohit. No, Rohit. Be careful. Very simple problem, right? You should not do mistake in these problems. I'm gradually increasing the speed of the mathematical reasoning. Very easy. I started with series and then I went to coding, decoding easy. And then I went to yesterday in app. We did what? We did what we did yesterday in app? Why subtract, ma'am? Attutu. Why subtract, ma'am? Where I subtracted? Here, this one. Okay. See, this is the logic of the second line. The mother's age at the time of Priya's birth. Presently, the mother's age is 7x. Priya age is 3x, right? So when Priya was born, her age is 48. How can I decode that value? When I subtract Priya's present age with mother's present age, means the difference will be 48. Yes, this is mother's present age. This is Priya's present age. At the time of her birth, it was 48. So when I subtract, I will be able to get the value. Yes. Yes, yesterday we did average. That is also an easy concept. And then now we are moved to ratio. Tomorrow we are going to move to what? Not tomorrow. Today evening we are going to move to profit or loss. Very important concepts. Do join an app to explore profit or loss. Must question in all shifts they are asking questions. We have to know the concepts. Yes. Very good. Very good. Very good. Next one. Next one. The ratio of the present ages of John and Jim is 5:3. 4 years hence. This is the keyword. 4 years hence it will be 3:2. Find the present age of John. What do you mean by hence? Hence means after, right? Hence means after. So the present age is what? The present age of John and Jim is 5:3. So that is a common factor. So I put x. Okay. I have to find out. 4 years. 4 years after. Hence means nothing but after. 4 years after. 5x plus 4 is to 3x plus 4. See, now proportion will come. Will be in the ratio of 3:2. You understand? You understand? 4 years hence means after 4 years, their age ratio will become 3:2. This we call it as proportion, right? 5x plus 4 is to 3x plus 4 is equally proportionate to 3:2. Yes? Very good. Super. Now we have to find the present age of John. So how to find out? You have to decode this one. So 5x plus 4 divided by, whenever I say is 2, I can say 3x plus 4. Whenever I say this proportion, I will be put equal to 3 divided by 2. So I am going to do cross multiplication. That's all. I am going to do cross multiplication because it is equal, right? So 5x plus 4 into 2, that is equal to 3x plus 4 into 3. Yes, very good. Do it. Very good. So 10x plus 8, that is equal to 9x plus 12. Yes, yes. Do subtraction and we'll be getting x is equal to 4. X is equal to 4. When you substitute the value in this one, when I substitute the value of x in this one, what will be getting? 4:3:4. What will be the answer? 20, 12. What is the age of John's present age? 20. Very good, very good, very good. Everybody doing very fast. Very good. Clear? Concept clear? Yes, option 4 is the right answer. Yes, very good. Clear with the options? Are you able to decode how to do it? Learners, please do like the session. Please do like the session. Those who are new to the app, please do visit the unifystudy.com. There we do PIQ practice course of paper 1 and PYQ practice course of paper 2 computer science. You can get into the website where now we are availing with the Super 20 discount. That Super 20 discount is only valid till today. You can enjoy with having 20% discount on all the courses of this unifystudy.com, right? Paper 1 course and paper 1 plus paper 2 course are there. You can visit unifystudy.com. You can download the app and you can get the PDFs, whatever materials that we are discussing here in YouTube. You'll be able to download it in your app session. Yes, clear. So now we move to the next problem. The ratio of two numbers is 9:5. If 9 is added to the greater number and 5 is subtracted from the smaller number, the greater number becomes thrice the smaller one. Here also we have the concept of ratio and proportion. What unfair? What, Rohit? Okay. Yes. Try to do this problem. Yes, try to do this problem. I'll be able to understand. Yes, we will do the problems, Keertana, then we will go for things. If you have doubt, you put in comment box, we will reply. The ratio of two numbers. See, the ratio of two numbers is given as 9 is to 5. If 9 is added to the greater number, it means what? If the 9 is added to the greater number and 5 is subtracted from the smaller number, we have to write it in this way, 9x. Oh, okay. Okay, okay. So 9x is to 5x. We can write the common term 9x is to 5x. What they have given, definitely this 9x will be the greatest number. This will be a smaller number. So the greater number is added with 9 is 2. The smaller number is subtracted with 5. Okay. Then the greater number becomes what? Thrice the smaller one. Here they have given what? Thrice the smaller one. What? The greater number will have the ratio of how much? Thrice the smaller. Yes. Do you understand how we get this point? If number 9 is added to the greater number and 5 is subtracted from the smaller number, the greater number will become thrice than that of the smaller one. So that's why 3 is to 1. Yes, simple. Now you find out the numbers. Now you find out the numbers. First, now you find out the numbers. Very good, very good, very good. Sani, very good. Fast. Very good. If thrice 2 means, no, thrice 3. Thrice means 3 times. Yes, done. My content. Thank you, Kaushik. Thank you so much. See, I am giving you the basic concepts of understanding everything, right? So that we can't expect the same questions there in the examination, but the concepts will be helpful when you go to the exams. Okay, we can't expect the same question to be repeated there. That is not possible, right? Because it's a big ocean of things. So we cannot expect the same concept, but we can expect what the concept can be expected there. So the concept clarity is there means then definitely you can do your exams well. The most of the people do mistake what is they have to get that 1 hour everything. It's possible, right? But that concept is understood means we can do any kind of problem. I've always told you, right? Continuity. There will be a continuation with one topic to another topic. That will be very useful. Yes. Yes. Okay. We'll go to the next problem. The answer for this question is what? Simple. 9x plus 9. 9x plus by 9 by 5x minus 5. Very good. 3 divided by 1. When I do cross multiply, what will come? 9x plus 9, that is equal to 15x minus 15. So when I put it here, what I'll be getting? When I put it on the side, yes, Nasreen, I'm solving. Don't worry. I'm solving. Wait. Yes. So when I cross multiply, I'll be getting 9x plus 9. The 1 will come this side. And here the 3 will go this side. It becomes 5x minus 5. So 9x plus 9, that is equal to 15x minus 15. So when I take this x this side, means it becomes what? You can take 9 this side and this 15 this side. So what will happen? 15 plus 9, that is equal to 15x minus 9x. I am putting step by step so that you can track it. So 4 is equal to 6x. So 6x is equal to 24. So x is equal to what? So x is equal to 4. So kindly substitute this value 4 in this one. What I'll be getting? 36 comma 12. Clear, Nasran? Yes. Yes. Clear? Very good. Next problem. I've given the next problem. So divide 14136. These type of question we are getting most oftenly in the examination. So there is an amount of rupees 14136. Okay. So this 14136 is being shared among A, B and C. Okay. Such that 2 times A, 3 times B, 5 times C are all equal. Then we have to find out the share of C. How to do this problem? Easily. That we have to do. So what they have told? 2 times A share, 3 times B share and 5 times C share are all equal. Okay. Yes. Are all equal. Then how to solve this problem? Yes. See, A is to B is to C is equal to what? A share plus B share plus C share is all equal to 14136. Yes, we have found out. Now we have to break down to find out the values. How to find out? We have to take the LCM of this common factor so that we can find out very easily, because we have to, when I take the LCM, what will come? 1, 3, 5. So common thing is what? 30. The LCM of all these numbers is common factor is 30. We have to make it in the ratio format. So what can be done? How that share will become is, see, 15. So A is to B is to C is equal to 15 is to 10 is to 6. Right? This is the total share. With this I can find out, right? This is the share. With this I can find out A, B, C, how the share has been done. 15 is to 10 is to 6. So this is how the share has been done. Now what they have asked, simple, they have asked for the share of the C. What is the share of the C? Is 6. Total how many unit has been there? 31. This 30 is the LCM. This LCM is nothing but the common factor that we have identified using this one. 2 times shares, right? This is the common factor LCM into 14136. 1 minute, 1 minute, 1 minute. 2 is to 3 is to 5. 30. Yes. 1 minute, 1 minute. Here's a small mistake. 1 minute. Yes, 1 minute. I've written 5 only, right? 5. Yes. Yes, right, right. Simply now you do the multiplication. You'll be getting the answer. You cancel it out, you'll be getting the answer. That's all. So that will be gives me the share of C. Clear? So see 1416 is being shared between A, B and C, and they have given that 2 times A, 2 times B, 3 times B and 5 times C are all equal. Okay, so we have to find out that common value and that we can able to identify. Here in this problem, how can we identify is by getting the LCM of this common factor, I can able to identify A is to B is to C. So finding out this A is to B is to C is enough to find out the individual share. So the A has been given 15 share, B has been given 10 share, C has been given 6 share. So they have asked for C. How much will come? Yes, very good, very good. You can divide 14136 by 31. Yes, this goes for 4 times. Yes, yes, 4 times it goes. 124. So remaining 7. Do it, do it. 15 is to 6 is to 10. It is not 15, 6, 10. It is 15, 10, 6. It is 15, 10, 6. 173. It goes for 5 times. 5 times means what? 155. The remainder will be here 8, 18. 6 comes, goes for 6 times. So 456. So when I multiply 2736. Yes. Very good. See, I'll write it here. 2A, 3B, 5C. So there is a common factor. Okay, they are all equal. So how to find out this ratio is by means of taking the LCM, I can find out the ratio. Yes, ma'am can't get you. Hence we get 31 in the denominator. 31 is nothing but the ratio share. Surabhi, 31 is the ratio share. 31 is the ratio share. Okay, I will repeat again this problem. 1 minute. 14136 is being shared among A, B and C. Okay, and they have given that 2 times of A and 3 times of B and 5 times of C are all equal. Are all what? Equal. So when I do this means I'll be getting this 14136. Okay. Yes. Yes. I'm repeating. Don't worry. So what they have asked according to the question, they have given 2A, 3B equal to 5C are all equal. I have to find out this common factor. Common factor I have to find out. So by taking the LCM, I can get the common factor. How? 2, 3, 5. When I take LCM, this will gives me 30. Yes. Yes. So this will come 30. So when I do apply it in this one means I will be able to identify the ratio A is to B is to C. How, ma'am? Just simply divide, I'll be getting. See, 30 divided by 2, I'll be getting what? 15. Similarly, when I divide by this one, I'll be getting what? 10. When I divide this 30 by 5, I'll be getting 6. So on this ratio only, this has been done. Okay, wait Jivita. On this ratio, by dividing this LCM with this common factor, I will be able to identify the ratio. Okay, right? And then easily to identify the C share is 6 divided by, how we apply the ratio? 15 plus 10 plus 6, that is equal to 31. Yes or no? This is ratio. This is the total number of share. This is the total number of share. Yes, so 31 into 14136. There is another method also. I will teach you that method also. So when I cancel it this one, I will be getting 20736. This is one method of doing this problem. I will teach you another method also. Wait. Same problem, I will teach you the another method. Yes. Okay, I'll teach you the another method. Here 2a, 3b, 5c are all equal. We have to, what we can do is we can make any one variable as common. How? If 2a is equal to 3b is equal to 5c, then b is equal to what? 3b is also is equal to 2a, right? So b is equal to 2a divided by 3. Similarly, c is equal to what? 5c is equal to 2a. So c is equal to 2a divided by 5. Yes, c is equal to 2. Now we can do by this way also. We can also apply this way also. Right. Yes, we can also apply by this way also. How, ma'am? 2a b is equal to how much? 2a by 3. C is equal to how much? 2a by 5. That is equal to 14136. By this way also we can able to identify. Yes, by this way also we can able to find out the a and b and c. Clear? Yes, you try this way. Again, we have to find out the LCM here also. We have to find out the LCM here also. So 15a plus how much will come? 5, 10a, 6a. Yes, same pattern. We have to find out. Yes, clear? Thank you. Thank you. You can also find out in this way. Yes, you find out in this way also. Yes, clear? Yes or no? Shall I move to the next problem? Same kind of problem. Monica, what I did first is very easy actually. We no need to do too much of calculation. That is very easy compared to this one. Where definitely here we will do some mistake. Yes, last method is very easy. Yes, yes. I'll give you the same kind of a problem. Now you try this problem. You can apply the either method. You can apply the either method. Three persons are shared 3 times A, 2 times B, 4 times C. So 3 times A, 2 times B, 4 times C. You can apply either method and tell me the answer. I'll waiting. So that I'll understood whether you understood or not. Either you can take the LCM, find out the ratio and apply, tell me. Or you go for this method also. A plus B plus C is equal to 390. So make a common factor and then find out and tell me. Yes. Fast. 3 to 4. The LCM is what? 2 times 3, 1, 2. So 2, 3. 12 will be the ratio. How will be getting? If 12 is the LCM means what? 4 is to 6 is to 3. That's all. So what is the ratio of A? What is the ratio of A? Sorry, value of A. 4 divided by 13 into 390. B. 6 divided by 13 into 390. C is equal to 3 divided by 13 into 390. Simple. This is also easy. We can able to find out. 3A plus 2B plus 4C. Right? 3A plus 2B plus 4C. So if A plus B plus C is equal to this one means I have to substitute. Substitute simply. A plus this can become, we can become 3A by 2 plus 3A by 4. Yes, do it, do it. Very good. Yes, 4A 6A plus 3. That is equal to 390. So when I multiply 4A plus 6A plus means what? 13A into 4 0, 6 carry 3, 1560. So A is equal to how much? 126. So 120. 120. Yes. Here when I do it also I'll be getting 120. So yeah, find out A is 120. Substitute the value here. So substitute the value here. A is 120. Now when I can substitute here, this will becomes what? 120. 180 will come here. And this will becomes what? 120. 30. It becomes 90. Yes, clear? Clear? You can go whichever option, whichever thing is easy for you. I opt for this one. First option. This will be very easy. Just taking LCM, finding out that's all. Yes. Clear? Do you like the session? You got the glimpse of how to do it? You cannot by heart some things, right? You have to understand the concept. Yes, clear? Clear? Yes or no? Very easy. Very easy. So we will be getting such kind of questions in our examination. So I'll be giving you a homework for you to work out. So come with that answer. So we will be doing, put your answer in the comment box after trying the problem. Okay. Note down this problem. This is a problem. If 6,200 rupees is being divided in 3 parts proportional to 1 by 2, 1 by 3, 1 by 5, right, respectively, find out what is the value of this person, this person, this person. Very easy. uh, Try to solve the problem and put it in the comment section your answer. So we will all meet at 8 p.m. today in app, Unified Study app, for doing profit or loss. Today is going to be very important class. Profit or loss today we are going to do. Please do join to attend the class without fail. Okay. Yes, very important concepts. Only with basic concepts we can do more PYQs in the weekend marathon session. Okay. Weekend we will be doing only marathon session. So in that marathon session with these concepts we can explore more. Okay, this week class will be most useful to you in your examination for mathematical reasoning. Do join at 8 p.m. for profit or loss concept. Yes, done. Done. Do like the session. Put your comment in your comment section and do join. Why, ma'am, like NTA, you have also changed? Why, Seetal? Why, Cheetal? Why you have changed? Why? If you go with easy questions means they will make us to put into trouble, right? So we are training ourselves with some kind of clear concepts. Yes. Very good. Very good. Okay. Thank you. See you all in the put it in the chat box, comment section. Learners, please put the answers in the comment section so that we'll join together tomorrow. The question, ma'am B. Okay, okay. Right. Thank you so much. Tata. Bye bye.